What's up, guys? It's your boy RottenCorr, and happy new year. If you're new to the channel and you like dope art and you like to be entertained, then go ahead and tap that like and subscribe button along with the bell notification so you can be notified when I'm dropping that heat. Guys, I'm going to show you how to get commission for your art in 2023. Let's get into it. Alright guys, I'm going to share with you 5 tips that help me get more commissions for my art, guys. Now keep in mind, these tips may or may not help you. Everybody's situation is different, so take it with a grain of salt. And while I share these tips with you guys, I'm going to actually be painting a commission. I already sketched it out to save you and save me some time, so let's get straight into the painting.
Just me lately, I don't need a lot. I've been to myself, just me lately, I don't need a lot. No. Just me in the.
Alright y'all, like I said, I was gonna share some tips with you all that help me get more commissions for my art. These tips are in no particular order. So starting with tip number 1, be consistent. Always be creating. Alright?
I see you in my review and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib, bet she do it for the 9-9. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop.
So before I go to tip number 2, let me tell you all a little bit about this commission piece. So the client sent me a sketch that he wanted me to recreate, and with the sketch he sent a brief description of what he was looking for and what he wanted. Now he gave me complete freedom, which I love so much, and the things that he wanted me to incorporate in this painting. It's actually like a situationship or entanglement.
I got into a different kind of entanglement.
It's a relationship or of some sort that he wanted me to create, and I'm excited about it. It's something different, it's something new, and that's what I've learned with creating art for people. You know, you'll have these situations where people will want you to paint the oddest things, and those are the best paintings, I honestly say. Like, and it keeps you as an artist on your toes. You know, people have weird ideas, strange ideas that, you know, that kind of pushes your skills and push your imagination as well. So I really enjoy doing commission art for people, and this is something I will forever do because, you know, like I said, it doesn't keep you inside of a box. It'll always keep you on your toes, and you know, you can get stagnant sometimes painting the same thing. So when people come to you and ask for these requests, I just have fun with it, guys. I have fun with it. And yeah, that's pretty much it with this painting. And of course, when I'm done with it, you all will see it. But other than that, yeah, let's get back to the painting. The The next tip is create quality work. Now, what I mean by that is create work that you're proud of. Create work that you will purchase yourself, especially if you create artwork that's on the high end. So you want to create a standard for yourself and for your collectors, so people that purchase your art, they know they're getting a premium product. They're getting quality work that they're proud that they spent their hard-earned money on and that they can show off. So I do this as well with using premium paint to create my paintings, to even my packaging that is customized. So yeah, guys, just create quality work. No one wants to buy any art or commission you to do artwork for them if they don't see the quality in your artwork. So that's tip number 2, create quality work. So going into tip 3, tip 3 to me is kind of unique, but I think is necessary. So tip 3 is show your personality. Guys, there's so many people out there that are great artists that can paint real well and do a lot of creative things that I can't even do. But I feel that if you show your personality, that you can be relatable to some people. Some people might just support you just because of your personality. If you're a fun-loving type of person, it doesn't matter. Like, so many, things that that you do might resonate with somebody within. So, and just that simple thing, people can hire you to paint art for them. So just show your personality, guys. Get in front of the camera, and I know it's uncomfortable sometimes, and it was uncomfortable for me, but you'll get used to it, and just present yourself to people. Let people know who you are. So tip number 3, show your personality. We're up to tip number 4, and tip number 4 is an important tip. It's show your work. How is anybody supposed to hire you to paint commission art for them if they never seen your work? I don't care what it is. Show your work, show your process. Take pictures of your work, take video of your work, post it on your social media. Let people know that you're an artist. That's the only way that people know that you're an artist and that you're selling your art and your service is by showing your work. Show it everywhere you can. Show each step. Show materials you use. Show the beginning piece to the end piece. Show your work. right, we're up to tip number 5, and last but not least, the most important tip on this list, I think, that could possibly help you sell more art and get more commissions. And tip number 5 is believe in yourself. Guys, how is anybody supposed to believe in you as an artist if you don't believe in yourself? You have to believe in yourself and trust yourself. Believe that you can create dope art. Believe that you can sell the art that you create. Believe that you'll get commissions, and you have to follow a lot of these tips that I just told you today. But believing yourself is one of the most important tips, I think, because everything starts somewhere and it starts with you. So believing yourself is tip number 5. And yeah, hopefully these tips can help you guys get more commissions. Until then, let's just finish this painting so I can get it shipped out.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, you pay me what I'm owed, yeah. Yeah, yeah, all this money on me. Yeah, yeah, cash rolls all around me. Yeah, yeah, all this money around me. Yeah, yeah, cash rolls all around me. Yeah,
man, how you feel like, man, what's that? I took a long little real life, stay true to that. Hey, no, man, how you feel like, man, what's that? I took a long little real life, stay true to that.
big bags, my back ache through customs. You travel like you must be tough out of your luck, huh? I'm that go-to when she down to come through clutch, huh? Sit brown till I'm flush time, my drip real plush, huh? Internet tea off a blue pill, hand grip stack of the blue cheese, turn that to a bag in a new crib. Nice big spot by the seaside, never stressed on for a handout. Just ain't on what I be on, just ain't on, need to be right, yeah. Gold fronts to show the color of my soul. Cool you think you is, you got me in a mode. Where I'm from, we live and die by the code. Either that or sell your soul to get a roll. Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, you pay me what I'm owed, yeah. Yeah, 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 all this money on me. Yeah, yeah, cash rolls all around me. Yeah, yeah, all this money around me.
Alright, so I just finished the painting. I can't wait to show you all. I already varnished the painting. Make sure you always varnish your paintings. It protects it from dirt, dust, harsh lightings, and it also gives you the finish that you want, if that's a matte finish or a gloss finish. I have to do a few extra steps before we ship this painting off, and that's give it the RottenCorr stamp of approval on the back, and also installing the hanging equipment. With all my art pieces, I always install the hanging equipment so it can be hassle-free for the collector. When they purchase the art, they just pull it out the box and hang it straight to the wall. So let's go ahead and do those last steps.
Yeah, yeah, cash rolls all around me.
Hey, yo, man, how you feel like, man, what's that? Hey, I took a long little real life, stay true to that. Cool by the king, got drip by the wave, yo. Hey, yo, we be independent living, you $1 million slave, yo. Hey, yo, tell them keep it simple, stupid, cause it's all about the feeling. Hey, yo, they done fucked around and let some young bitches in the building. Hey, yo.
Alright, so I just finished installing the hanging material. I varnished the painting. I gave it the RottenCorr stamp of approval. Signed it, dated. So before I get ready to prep it for shipping, I guess I can show you all. I guess. B-roll, please!
No stress, no digging. Baby, I'm just too jiggy. Better know
know I brought that with me. Case they get too iffy. Baby, don't stress, don't sweat it. Put it all on my baby. Know how I'm coming, and they know what we hate. Run around through that left side, low end. All of mine need more wins. If you got beef, don't come out, cause my young hitter might go in. Uptown GN, working all through my weekend. Hoping these don't show out, cause all of my hitters too deep in. With a boy, I'm so shame. Ain't worried about long as my money and my green. Baby, I ain't got work tomorrow, tell me what the business is. Ain't about no club hop, I'm tryna start some businesses. Shorty, you thought it was, they better know it's not that. Talking all that online, they knowing that it's not fact. Sliding through my hood, I make maneuvers like a Uber, baby. Got a 10-year plan, these can't tell what they doing lately. And I'm way too clean, I'm Listerine, I thought they been knew it. All in my lungs, I got my red cup full of that Henny fluid. Young middle Mad Mac, I'm swinging that leg, I'm banging that do or die. And I ain't that leely before I get crucified. Living in my bloodline, this place in my family tree.
Alright, that was the painting. It turned out super dope. Of course, it gets a certified dopeness. Let me know what you all think about the painting in the comments down below. And again, that's why I love creating commission artwork, because it's something different. It challenges me. And of course, I enjoy bringing your ideas to life. And if you are an artist, hopefully these 5 tips can possibly help you get more commissions or sell more artwork. Let's run through those 5 tips again. Tip number 5, always create/be consistent. Tip number 4, always create quality artwork. Tip number 3, show your personality. And tip number 2, show your artwork, of course. And tip number 1, the most important tip, is believe in yourself. Hopefully these tips will help you. Good luck to you all. And if you're someone that is looking for an artist to commission some artwork, you can hit me up on my website at RottenCorrArt.com. Just hit that contact tab and fill out that form and let me create something dope for you. Thank you all for stopping by. Thank you all for always showing love and support. Always, thank you so much, guys. Until next time, I'll make sure I have some more art for you. Love you. Peace.
I did my best out of what they handed me. Straight out of that country, know my shawty dick as human air. And I need not mention no extensions, that's human hair. Boy, we grew in there. Around through that left side, low end. All of mine need more wins. If you got beef, don't come out, cause my young hitter might go in. Uptown GN, working all through my weekend. Hoping these don't show out, cause all of my hitters too deep in. Tell them no stress, no big.
Also, I like to add a thank you card to each of my paintings, so when the collector receives their painting, they know that I appreciate their business and that they're getting a quality piece of artwork, and that goes for the packaging and even thank you cards like this. So yeah, I'm gonna add it to the painting before I box it up.
Baby, I'm just too jig. Better know I brought that with me. Case they get too big.